3, 2, 1.
How did I feel after I slept 5 hours? The answer is A. Mad and irritable. Through how many of the 5 boroughs of New York City does the New York Marathon run? The answer is B. 5. Paul Eisler invented the printed circuit in Germany in what year? The answer is A. 1936. Here are the hiccups. How would you do this? The answer is A. Drink a cup of pickle juice. In what year did King George V die? The answer is C. 1929. Retrieve a stuck chip bag in the vending machine. How would you do this? The answer is A. Buy something above it. A man enters a large field with a dog. What happens next? The answer is C. Uses a frisbee to teach the dog several tricks. A guy is outdoors near a body of water. The credits of the clip are shown. The guy is moving and flipping with leg extensions. A man. What happens next? The answer is C. Backs up and looks on at the guy. When did Panama adopt the US dollar as its currency? The answer is B. 2001. Why is Jen reaching out to Jared? The answer is D. To get him up and alert. Who originally proposed the idea of daylight saving time? The answer is A. Benjamin Franklin. What is causing the narrator's pessimism in the scene? The answer is D. They lack children. In what year was the Arsenal Independent Supporters Association formed? The answer is B. 1949. Why is the narrator desperate to get better? The answer is A. They have screwed things up. In what year was Pannier Market finished? The answer is C. 1959. In what year did the United States celebrate its bicentennial? The answer is C. 1976. W hat is the reason for regrets? The answer is B. He was worried. When was the Paris Convention? The answer is D. 1883. What may happen after they start to install the software? The answer is D. They will try out the software when it finishes. When did the MV Bessel run aground to at the second largest island in the Mediterranean? The answer is D, 1972. On a standard dartboard, which number lies between 13 and 18? The answer is B, 4. What does the fact that I didn't care about the price say about me? The answer is D, I must be rich or have a good paying job. Prevent tea bag from falling. How would you do this? The answer is A, stretch rubber band over mug and string. What is the reason for the quote to be referenced? The answer is A, voting on topic of war is taking place. A biconvex lens has a radius of curvature of magnitude 20 cm. Which of the following best describes the image formed of an object of height 2 cm placed 30 cm from the lens? The answer is A, real, inverted, height equals 1 cm. To cut drywall to size, how would you do this? The answer is A, use a utility knife. One wants to make a healthy fried food. How would you do this? The answer is A, one should use dough. Why does the writer find this turn of events so upsetting? The answer is C, because it was completely unexpected. What might be the outcome of this? The answer is B, the person may have a hangover. What year began the founding of New Haven Harbor? The answer is C, 1638. Why is this person looking for epiphany? The answer is B, this person is looking for enlightenment. In what year did Deutsche Universal Film AG open? The answer is A, 1926. To remove smell from shoes, how would you do this? The answer is A, stuff a tea bag in each shoe. How many points are required to win a standard game of cribbage? The answer is C, 121. Who might I normally have lunch with? The answer is C, I might have lunch with Francesca normally. Consider the Lewis structures for the following molecules: Co2, Co32, No2, and No3. Which molecules are best represented by multiple resonance structures? The answer is D, Co32, No2, and No3. When did Edmund Burke graduate? The answer is A, 1748. What type of material should you use to make the werewolf head for a costume? How would you do this? The answer is A, you will need plaster, gauze strips, and hot glue. How long will the break last? The answer is C. It will last 1 week. When did John successfully conduct a sudden attack and siege of every castle? The answer is A. 1195. Why might the person have freaked out? The answer is B. They were nervous. Who is an archenemy of the cartoon superhero Underdog? The answer is A. Overcat. Where may I be attending college right now? The answer is B. Michigan. What year did Schwarzenegger become a naturalized citizen of the United States? The answer is A. 1983. The shortest Greenland to Iceland sea crossing is about how many miles? The answer is C. 180. How do you power off a computer? How would you do this? The answer is A. Press the power button on the computer tower. What was wrong with them? The answer is A. They were having marital problems. How many Great Lakes on the border between Canada and the USA are there? The answer is B. 5. What year was My Invisible Man made? The answer is C. 1933. How many states were in the Confederate States of America?